I wanted to go over the Knewton platform with you for your homework. Make sure that you've taken the student attestation quiz first. It will take you less than 2 minutes to click right here in the home screen and read the privacy agreement and click submit. So once that's done, you have access to all of your course content. So we'll go into modules, and it will look similar to that home screen. And as you scroll down, you'll see how your modules are broken up by weeks. Each week, you'll have an introduction, a written lesson, and then these are videos created by one of our statistics instructors. They're very helpful. So if you want to basically jump right in, I would probably jump into the videos because she goes over examples as well as just the content of the material. You will always have a discussion forum and then all of these Knewton assignments. On average, the Knewton assignment should take you about an hour per assignment, but some of them will go a little bit faster because Knewton is an adaptive learning program. In other words, when I go into Knewton, and yours will look a little bit different because this is the instructor view, but as the student view, when you go in, it will automatically take you to this assignment. So Knewton is adaptive in meaning that it can tell if you're getting the material or not, if you're understanding the questions. So the more you get right, the quicker you'll get done with the assignment. So it will shorten some of your assignments. So it comes with a question up here, and you get 2 attempts on each question unless it's multiple choice or true or false. So obviously the true or false are not going to give you more than one. So in reference to different sampling methods, cluster sampling includes the steps. And then it's going to always ask you a question, and we'll just go ahead and click our answer and click submit, and you get it right. And then it gives you an answer explanation. You can click continue, and then it's going to ask you some more. Let's see if I'll get this one wrong. The other thing is, if I'm not sure, this is what's great. I don't know why it's doing that, sorry. What's great about Knewton is as you're reading this and you're like, oh, I don't remember the difference between population and sample. You can click on more instruction, and Knewton creates a different instruction. Sometimes it's a video, sometimes it's more examples, or it's just kind of like this feedback here, which is awesome. So the more instruction gives you the opportunity then to review. It doesn't hurt your progress, so it's not going to create more problems for you because you click on more instruction, okay? And then it gives you another question that's similar to the one that you asked for more instruction on. Up here at the top, we call this your mastery bar. If you took another class, this mastery level always had to be 100%. In statistics, you don't have to get a mastery of 100% before you get to move on to the next assignment. We encourage it, but you are going to want to get as close as you can to that 100%. Okay, I can click on that little, did I do that too fast? I can click on this little eye with the circle, and it'll break down on how much I've mastered, what learning objectives this assignment is going to cover, and give me an idea of what to expect. Okay, it can also tell you, an approximation of how much more work you have to do. I've only done one question, so obviously I have a lot more to do, but sometimes it will let you know that. So this 10% is definitely not good enough to move on to the next assignment. You can always decide that you want to see what the next assignment looks like. So if you want to jump around within week 1 assignments, there's nothing wrong with that because you can always come back until the due date and keep working on the questions. Your grades for Knewton, between Knewton and Canvas, can only be uploaded at the end of the week. So you won't see your grades in the gradebook for these assignments until the end of the week, when the due date for these has come up. Okay? So I don't want you to panic if you're not seeing those grades there. If at any point you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out and ask. Unfortunately, there is no way to print these assignments. So if you do want your own copy of your homework problems, and because it's adaptive, again, so if you got done quicker and you didn't get to and you didn't have to use all the questions, you're not, you might have some question sets that are longer than others. But unfortunately, the only way to print these is to do your print screen. Open up a Word document. And then just drop them into a Word document so that you can see them. So I wish I had a simpler solution there, but I don't, so I'm sorry. So I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful. And again, if you have any questions, please make sure that you reach out.